Namaste. Hello, my dear beautiful viewers. How are you all doing today? I welcome you all to your channel. Want to see my face from a close up. So, I welcome you all to your channel. Thank you so very much for tuning in. I really appreciate that. All right. Yes, I wanted to see. I'm looking like how I'm looking. I don't know. Okay. Love and life. I had no idea of life, love until you came into my life. You are an angel. Friends, I would like to tell you that the love interest of your life, the transformations that they are going through right now, they are actually cleaning up their past life. Now, to give you an example, like how they are cleaning up their past life, I get big time confirmations about that. You know, it's like I have been getting some downloads. There's like I'm feeling like cleaning of the church, cleaning of the house. All right. See, church, we are the body is the church. All right. So cleaning of the church. That means some of you are doing, I believe, like you in that subtle level, like you are doing those bath, like salt water bath, turmeric water bath, or some kind of rituals that you are doing in cleaning of this system of yours. All right. You are trying to live the community of people that I'm able to connect now. You are trying to live a very holistic life. Kudos if you are doing that. The download that I'm getting right now, if you are doing that, that's a beautiful thing. All right, that's a truly beautiful thing, I must say that. So what is happening is that the way you are trying to live a very holistic life, my dear beautiful viewers, uh, it radiates, the energy radiates, that whatever you will do, it radiates. All right, that's how you attract, because the time is now manifestation. What you are giving, it's coming back. What you are giving is coming back. All right. So but this is happening through a filter. All right, that means because we as a human being, we tend to get into that temptation or fall prey, right? So whatever you are sending, universe is taking it, filtering it, and then returning it back to you. I hope it is making sense. So now let's say, for an example, all right, one moment you are feeling positive and the very next moment you might be feeling negative. So both of them are going to the universe, right? So universe is speaking the positive thing, destroying the negative, like swaha. Okay. So burn a lamp like this in front, wherever you stay. All right, keep a fire burning next to you. Now what I'm feeling is that this person, the love interest of your life, they are right now clearing their house, their church, and it can be anything, trust me, from clearing their laptop recycle bin. I don't know how I get this download. I'm feeling like that somebody is like clearing their drive, clearing their old photographs, clearing their phone, clearing their memories, clearing their contacts, clearing everything that does not hold any significance or does not hold any place. Let's say, for example, this person had a couple of girlfriends in the past. They still have the numbers of them in the phone. They are deleting those numbers. Universe is forcing them. Universe is forcing them to clean the church, this body. Heart, body, mind, soul compiled together. It's a church, the avatar of yours, whatever is carrying in this. So you hold a phone, you carry a phone, you carry a bag, you carry so many things with you. Even if you are not carrying anything, you're carrying here, right? Clearing. You're carrying here, right? Clearing. All right. So in the body, when you eat, you clear in the morning, right? So it's all clearing, it's going on. So whatever you are touching that does not serve you, of no good for you, clearing. And you may be feeling like, I need to delete these photographs, I need to clean this mess, I need to clean this. You will be feeling like that. The way you are feeling your DM, the love interest of your life, they are also feeling that way. All right, because why I can say is that I had no idea of life and love until you came into my life. All right, you are an angel. So do you really think that they would like to lose out on an opportunity of losing an angel and mess their life Already they are understanding that they have been living the life is a complete mess. All right, and what is helping them to see is the warrior spirit within you. You have some kind of stubbornness within you, kind of warrior spirit within you, which gives them immense strength, wisdom, and enlightens their path and purpose. Some way, shape, or form, the clearing that you are doing, it's radiating to them, and they are also like, holding the phone. Okay, I don't need this number, I'm not in touch with this number. Okay, so I have so many block numbers of my ex-girlfriends, clear, or ex-boyfriends, clear. All right, old chats, clear. Facebook friends, clear. Unnecessary following, clear. Are you getting me? It's universe order, like check, 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 check before they come to you. I told you, remember in a couple of my videos, that universe is clearing the debris. They cannot come to you by carrying past baggages. Having a number of an ex-girlfriend, and then sometimes they will scroll through Joseph Prince coming and showing his notification, all right, the preacher. So no coincidence. And you see 6 of club, victory, then you are my angel. They really want to feel victorious with you. They see you as their trophy, period, and they cannot afford to lose you. So universe is forcing them. It's a universal force. All right, if you're seeing 747, then that's a confirmation. It's a universal force right now. Clean up the house. All right, and you will also feel that you will be also forced by the universe to clean. All right, to clean old memories or old something that is related to probably your ex-wife or ex-husband or ex something. All right, or even if it is an ex job or whatever it is, any memory that triggers you or any memory that takes you back, because God is pushing you forward, right? When God is pushing you guys forward for a union, you cannot carry that. It's like you will be forced automatically out of nowhere, like you will just get up, I need to delete this, I need to clean. So they will clean everybody. All right, if even out of anger also, they will be forced by the universe like to clean. They may end up even cleaning your old messages also, which they don't want to see anymore, because they have been into that energy. They want to create some fresh memories now with you. All right, so they will clean everything. Unnecessary following in Instagram, unnecessary following in social media, Facebook, wherever. All right, and I can validate this message. All right, and the pain these DMs are right now going on, I am finally accepting this is truly no ordinary connection. This is a connection made in heaven. All right, they have made peace with this connection finally, that they are accepting this connection in their heart, body, mind, soul, and hence this is the reason that they are forced by the universe to clean the house, because they cannot come to you by carrying those old baggages. And what is forcing them, what is helping them, what is enhancing them, what is giving them enlightenment or wisdom is your warrior spirit. All right, is your warrior spirit, and that is adding value to this connection, adding value for you guys to come in union with each other. Okay, and I'll tell you, for a couple of days I have been noticing that I used to accept everybody wherever I used to see this person is sharing any one to spiritual post, and I used to accept their friend request. I never used to go through their profile. And just very recently I have observed that there were a couple of guys in my profile who were following me. All right, probably they already had a girlfriend but was following me, my post, and they are now clearing. I mean, I am seeing that many of my Facebook friends are gone. Maybe false ID, this opening fake accounts and following girls, following boys, whatever it is. What I'm trying to tell you is that clearing. All right, deleting their accounts, unsubscribing, or whatever it is, they are just clearing it up. All right, clearing it up, because without you they're feeling very lonely. They really want to do justice to you. All right, and they are looking for a union, because they cannot deny this connection in their core. And the way you add value to their life, to their existence, the way they feel for you like an angel. All right, the warrior spirit that you have within is like It's completely taking them by surprise, my dear beautiful viewers. All right, so this person is clearing their path to come towards you. All right, because what I feel is that when they exited your life, they left behind a lot of thorns. Now when they come to you, they have to clear those thorns, otherwise they will be hurt. All right, and when they are trying to clear that, for sure they will get hurt. You will also feel hurt in some way, shape or form, but that's the axe of the hour. All right, that is truly the axe of the hour by the universe, because it's time like clearing the path. Clearing the path means clearing the path, period. All right, so it's more like this. For an example, like, how do you feel about a bride and groom, coming to each other? It clears the path, right, people? And they makes the path for the groom to walk in or for the bride to walk in. It's more like this. All right, so I hope the messages has helped you in some way, shape or form. All right, believe that justice will be served to you, and whatever aloneness like right now you're feeling, or isolation you are feeling, or feeling really left out in the cold and have no clue, then it's no coincidence that you are led to my channel to let you know that, my child, your patience will pay off. Justice will be served to you. Today you are lonely, you're feeling isolated. It is not permanent. Everything will pass. All right, everything will pass. Okay, so I hope this messages has helped you. Until we meet again, I'm sending across much love and light to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Stay blessed and in peace. Bye bye.